Hi viewers, this is Phone Clinic and right with you here is Engineer OC. Today I'm going to teach you how to remove the privacy lock of itel 2160. If in case your phone is in privacy lock and you can't remember the code, you try the default code, which is 1234, and it doesn't open. You try to go to anywhere, it is locked. You can't go anywhere at all. Even if you try to go to file manager, you cannot. Try the default lock, which is 1234, and it doesn't open. Here's a simple way to go about it. What you do is you press this code *#0* *#. Then you see this menu pop up. Do you want to clean all the test data? You click yes by pressing your OK button. Click yes, then it will start deleting and say please wait. Then you have to wait. Then to wipe the phone. Then the code will be removed, and then you'll be free to use the phone again. You have to wait like this. The phone will power itself on. Okay. Can see everything can go anywhere you want now. Let's go to the file manager. Can see it's opening now. Anywhere you want to go now, you can see you are going now. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Phone Clinic for more details. Thank you.